What is the first step to start trading? Recently, I get this question a lot via my social media accounts. In this video, I will share with you my trading journey, how I started trading, what are the challenges I have been through along these years. So if you are considering to start trading, or if you are just beginner and kind of lost, I believe this video will help you. Make sure you watch until the end. So my trading journey started with investing on stocks. One of my friends suggested a stock and I invested in that stock. And I was constantly on the app checking on the stock how it's performing. Then I realized on the app there is a price chart. It wasn't even a candlestick price chart that provides a lot of detail. It was only a line chart, and something caught my attention on the price chart. It was making ups and downs. I was only waiting for price to go up, and I just imagined that time. What if I can catch all highs and lows in the price chart and make money out of all these ups and downs? Luckily, my first experience was profitable, but I realized over the time, after my first profitable investment experience, I was so hyped to get next signal and make money out of this. But after a few attempts, I realized that waiting suggestion or signals from friends or from online platforms is not sustainable. I decided to learn this properly, and I started learning technical analysis. I got my first course from one platform. It was teaching pattern trading. I learned to trade patterns and trend lines. I was so confident. After learning few methods, my ego blocked me from seeing the reality. I started trading these patterns and trend lines. I was lucky I made some money in the first months, but something on my mind was telling me, you don't know this exactly. You don't know what is really happening on the chart. So I was smart enough to tell myself, this won't continue like this. Connecting dots on the price chart and searching for shapes won't keep me profitable. Then I kept learning more. I learned every single method in technical analysis. I bought courses, I joined communities, I attended Discord channels. I tried elite waves, I tried harmonic trade, I tried to find the best indicator, but there was no help. Every method was just another approach for looking at same thing. Then I met price action with ICT. This is the only guy I respect on technical analysis. So I learned that only thing that is driving price is liquidity and time. Without tracking where money is flowing and when, you will be trading blind. After learning price action methods, I developed my own strategies based on price action and started applying to my charts. I backtested all my strategies over and over again. I kept trading journal. I write down all my mistakes and the things that are working. But most importantly, I never lie to myself. I never place my ego in front of my trading. I started applying my strategies to the real-time price charts. I'm not gonna give you details about technical analysis in this video, but I will add my playlist about technical analysis and my trading strategies at the end of this video. So long story short, I got profitable over the years. I realized that people have a lot of questions about technical analysis and trading. So that's why I created this channel to help people with my experience, because I've been through almost everything that beginner traders can have. So this industry is full of scammers. And as I mentioned previously, when you are in this for some time, you build some ego. And just because you spend a lot of time in it, you cannot accept the fact that you don't know anything. So most people on social media are like that. They don't even really know that what's going on with price charts. They blinded themselves with what they know. They just follow the crowd and misleading traditional trading methods. The other thing I want to mention is that most beginners trying to trade daily. And in my opinion, it's very dangerous and wrong. Because day trading is some another level. Doesn't mean that you trade daily makes you day trader. Price movements are very volatile in day trading. And it's very hard to survive in such conditions as a beginner trader. And even if you are an experienced trader, day trading or scalping might not be for you. Trading types have different characteristics, but this is another day's topic. What I would suggest you is that if you have a full-time job, or if you don't have time for looking at the screen all day, even if you are an experienced trader, you should stay away from day trading or scalping. And I also want to talk about long-term investors. Let's say you are investing on a stock or you are building a portfolio. You have done your fundamental analysis. You are sure that the companies you invested are doing well, but there is one thing missing: when to buy or sell. So my point is that even if you are just investor and not planning to get on trading, you need to learn basics of technical analysis, because even the companies that are successful can be overvalued and you wouldn't like to buy something overpriced. But by learning basics of technical analysis, you can at least detect where price is oversold or overbought. So a little bit technical analysis wouldn't harm anyone. So I hope this video was helpful for you. As I said at the end of this video, I will add my playlist of technical analysis teachings. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. You can ask me anything in the comment section. I read all the comments. So see you next time.